Hey Jammers, I'm Snowflake Arctic Lily and welcome to my first video ever. So today I think I'm just going to be doing a trading video for my first video because I don't know what parties are going on. No. It's all just pet parties, call the alphas once in a while, and the New Year's party. Nobody wants to go to those. Everybody's been to it now, most likely. Probably everybody has. Guys, I'm recording in a very tight space. It's total my closet. What do I have on trade? Guys, please ignore the background talking. That's my brother getting mad at his computer. Very mad. I'm gonna put some different stuff on trade. And guess what? There we go, some non-member, all this stuff they have on trade is non-member. Okay. So I'm gonna say, please trade me, I am recording. Seriously. Okay, ready? Let's trade me, I am recording my first video. Here we go. Please trade me, I am recording my first video. Just what? Guys, I have no diamonds. I wasted my 3 diamonds on my egg. That I have, and I just got it today too. And I don't know what I'm gonna do because I don't know. It's just guys, I gotta pair my device here. Wobble baby, wobble baby, wobble baby, wobble baby, wobble baby, wobble baby, wobble. Blue. Wobble baby, wobble. Okay, you guys can't hear the music, but I can. So, yeah. Anybody have a purple? Warren say pea, like tea, like the fruit or vegetable. I don't know what I think it's a vegetable. I don't know anything, guys. But what animal should I turn into? I only have like 5. I only have 5. Maybe my Arctic wolf? I mean Arctic fox. I'm already my Arctic wolf. I'm saying my Arctic wolf. Guys, I have a sniffles because I have allergies because it's super cold outside. And And it's dark time outside now, and I'm kind of tired. mm. This person says they're live, and they buddied me. Good. I'm gonna search him up actually. Pantherita37 on YouTube. I'm gonna search him up. Okay, guys, I'm searching him up on my phone right now. Okay. Okay. So it's Panthera 37. Panthera 37. Oh my, wow. Oh my gosh. I'm going to the den, guys. I'm gonna see if I can actually see if, like, oh gosh. Lock key. Guys, this just went from trading to being in a live stream. I buddied them and stuff like that. Stuff. I'm gonna ask for an auto. Can I ask for an auto? I have an auto. Blue's gonna have an auto, and I'm also gonna send them for him or her freedom hat. Here you go. I just sent it to him, guys, and I'm watching the live stream right now too. Oh, they just got it. They just got it. Oh no, they didn't. They didn't get it yet. Rejected. Whoa, they have so many pets. Wait, what'd they say? I'm waiting for the part where, like, they buddy me or something. Oh, wow. I'm done! Oh my gosh! If anyone that is made in the live chat, so guys, this person they sent me. Oh, Just now seeing what they sent me. I'm gonna send them a fancy top hat. They were so nice to me, and I'll send them a fancy top hat. Audit days. Guys, this live stream is like a minute late. So, like, people are betting him much. They said, thank you so much, you are so awesome. And I'll say, no problem.
If you can't get on the goddamn computer, you're gonna sit in here and cry about it. And that's maybe the computer needs to break. Or you need to chill the hell out. It's not fall bad, you guys. Did you throw the floor? Did you shut it off? Well, leave it alone for a while. You been on it all day? Most of the day? Well, maybe it's time to rest. Not at all. Fucking shit your head like that again, get all cocky. I'll take the goddamn phone from you. Not for fucking attitude, but hey. Got it?
I'm a phantom, I'm a phantom, I'm a phantom, I'm a phantom. Do 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 do. Imagine this fucking up to you. Just imagine this phantom walking up to you. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Hello, fellow phantom, you traitors! What happens if I dance? Nothing happens if I dance, but if I do this, it'll... Oh. I'm gonna become my Eric fix. Real quick. Then become... I think they might have gotten the table game. It's very...
Thank you again, Snowflake.
No problem.
Thank you, and hi, guys.
No problem, I am watching the live stream. Okay, I'm gonna say no. Okay. I accidentally sent it. Guys, I'm making it like really laggy, I think. YW. I am watching the live. I am watching this game.
Thank you. Oh, thanks.
Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. And meanwhile, stay safe. Jam on!